Hello and welcome. My name is SM, and I invite you on a journey through Earth's most breathtaking and surreal locations. We'll explore the artistry of nature, sun-scorched canyons, frozen Arctic skies and more, reimagined in stunning 4K detail. Let these visuals transport you, deepening your appreciation for our planet's diversity and beauty. Our journey into the fantastic begins now. Let's explore together. Our journey begins in the American Southwest, at Antelope Canyon, a subterranean cathedral carved by water and wind. Millennia of flash floods have sculpted the sandstone into flowing wave-like forms, polished smooth by time. Sunbeams pierce narrow openings, painting the walls in shifting hues of orange, pink and purple. Silence amplifies the drama, letting you become absorbed in the dance of light and shadow. Each turn reveals a new masterpiece, a reminder that nature is the greatest artist. Here, water, wind and rock have created a living gallery, a testament to the quiet forces shaping our world. Antelope Canyon is not just a place, it's a powerful opening to our exploration, where beauty defies the ordinary. The world outside fades away. Down here, the magic of nature is intimate and profound. Every step is a journey through time, etched into stone. This is nature's artistry, revealed in silence and light. Next, we travel to Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. For most of the year, it's a blinding white expanse, but during the rainy season it transforms into a vast natural mirror. The sky and earth merge, creating the illusion of walking among the clouds. At sunset, fiery colors reflect in the water, enveloping you in celestial wonder. Islands like Inkawasi, topped with ancient cacti, rise from the mirrored void, a testament to life's resilience. Salar de Uyuni challenges our perception of reality, turning the world upside down. It's a landscape of peace and scale, inviting us to reconsider the boundaries between earth and sky. Here you're suspended between worlds, surrounded by infinite reflection. The salt flat is a reminder of nature's power to surprise and transform. In this desolate place, beauty is limitless. Walk among the clouds, and let wonder take hold. We venture to Mount Roraima, a colossal tabletop mountain at the border of Venezuela, Brazil and Guyana. Its sheer cliffs and mist-shrouded summit have inspired legends and stories of lost worlds. The summit is a labyrinth of blackened rock, sculpted by wind and rain into fantastical shapes. Unique plants and ancient frogs thrive here, isolated for millions of years. Waterfalls cascade from the plateau, sustaining this otherworldly ecosystem. Standing atop Roraima is like stepping back in time, on a fragment of the ancient supercontinent Gondwana. It's a living museum, a sanctuary for life found nowhere else. The mountain's isolation has preserved its mysteries and wonders. Roraima is a symbol of nature's enduring power and creativity. Here the past and present merge in a world apart. Far north in Norway, the night sky comes alive with the aurora borealis, the northern lights. Charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's atmosphere, creating shimmering curtains of green, red, and purple. The lights shift and dance, shaped by invisible magnetic fields. To stand beneath this spectacle is humbling, a direct connection to cosmic forces. The aurora reminds us that Earth is part of a vast, dynamic system. It's a silent ballet, inspiring awe and wonder. The colors and movement are nature's own light show. Here the boundary between Earth and sky blurs in a celestial dance. The northern lights are a reminder of our planet's place in the universe. Off Australia's coast lies the Great Barrier Reef, the largest living structure on Earth. Built by billions of coral polyps, this vibrant metropolis teems with life. Fish, turtles, sharks, and more. Coral and algae form a symbiotic partnership, fueling the reef's incredible diversity. Descend into this world and witness a kaleidoscope of color and movement. Yet, this ecosystem is fragile. Rising ocean temperatures cause coral bleaching, threatening its survival. The reef is both resilient and vulnerable, a stark reminder of our impact on nature. Its preservation is one of our greatest environmental challenges. The Great Barrier Reef is a living testament to nature's ingenuity. Here, life thrives in dazzling abundance. Protecting this wonder is essential for future generations. The reef's beauty and fragility inspire awe and responsibility. In southwestern Turkey, Pamukkale, meaning Cotton Castle, appears as a frozen waterfall turned to stone. Geothermal waters, rich in calcium carbonate, flow down the hillside, creating brilliant white travertine terraces. Pools of turquoise water cascade gently, forming a landscape both stark and soft. For centuries, people have sought the healing properties of these thermal springs. The ancient city of Hierapolis, built atop the terraces, stands as a testament to Pamukkale's enduring allure. Today, careful management preserves this dynamic, ever-changing wonder. Pamukkale is a magical fusion of geology and water. Here you can walk on stone born from the Earth's hidden springs. It's a place where nature and history intertwine in luminous beauty. In China's Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, sandstone pillars rise hundreds of meters, shrouded in mist and lush vegetation. These spires were carved by water, ice and wind over millions of years, remnants of a once massive plateau. Trees and plants cling to every ledge, adding vibrant green to the weathered stone. The landscape feels like a living painting, inspiring art and cinema alike. When mist fills the valleys, the pillars appear to float, untethered, surreal, and breathtaking. Exploring Zhangjiajie is a journey through a vertical labyrinth of stone and forest. Bridges and cable cars reveal panoramic views of this fantastical world. The park is a testament to the patient power of erosion and time. Nature transforms solid rock into a masterpiece of floating peaks. Here, the impossible becomes real. In Croatia's Plitvice Lakes National Park, 16 terraced lakes are linked by spectacular waterfalls and cascades. Water rich in calcium carbonate builds natural dams, constantly reshaping the landscape. The lake's colors shift from azure to green, reflecting minerals, organisms, and sunlight. Wooden walkways let visitors immerse themselves in this watery wonderland. The park is a haven for wildlife. Bears, wolves, rare birds, and fish thrive here. Plitvice is a masterpiece of water in motion, where geology and biology work in harmony. The barriers between land and water blur, creating a fairy tale landscape. It's a place of serenity and perpetual renewal. Here, nature's creativity is always at work. Deep beneath New Zealand's North Island, the Waitomo Caves glow with the light of thousands of tiny creatures. Glowworms, the larval stage of a fungus gnat, cling to the cave ceiling, emitting a cold blue-green light. Their bioluminescence transforms the darkness into a galaxy of living stars. Sticky silk threads hang from above, trapping prey drawn to the glow. A silent boat ride reveals this magical, living light show. The caves are a testament to life's adaptability in extreme environments. Here, darkness becomes a canvas for nature's ingenuity. The Waitomo Caves remind us that wonder can be found in the most hidden places. Even underground, the world is full of enchantment. In Patagonia, Chile, the marble caves of General Carrera Lake are a sanctuary of swirling color and light. Waves have sculpted marble into caverns, tunnels, and pillars over thousands of years. The rock's blues, grays, and pinks are revealed and polished by the lake's turquoise water. Sunlight, filtered through glacial water, dances across the marble, creating a shimmering spectacle. The cave's appearance changes with the seasons and time of day, always in flux. Floating through these glowing chambers is a serene, almost sacred experience. The marble caves are a testament to water's artistic power. Hidden in remote wilderness, they are a final stunning example of Earth's secret beauty. Here, geology and hydrology create a masterpiece. Our journey through these fantastic places comes to a close, but Earth's wonders are endless. Each location reveals the artistry and power of our planet, inspiring awe and curiosity. Which place captured your imagination? Share your thoughts below, and join us for more breathtaking adventures. Until next time, may you always find wonder in the world around you.